How to turn on and off comments from the following on REDnote app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off comments from people you follow in the REDnote app. It's super simple, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the REDnote app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. Once you have opened the app, simply tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And once you are in your profile page, you can see the option with the gear icon. Simply tap on that. And once you are in the settings menu, simply tap on the option labeled privacy settings. And from here, look for the option that says only allow comments from following. Here you can easily turn this feature on if you want to allow comments only from people you follow, or you can simply turn it off to allow comments from everyone. Just tap the switch and you are done. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to control who can comment on your post in the REDnote app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.